is our new anchor for the airship. Pretty cool, right? What you don't often see is this and next hours of debugging. You know, game dev is hard and nobody tells you this. Well, actually, a lot of people tell you this, but just saying it's hard, it's not enough. It's really hard. Then why do we do it? Why do we spend a lot of our time banging our heads on an endless bug list? I guess we like suffering. No, besides being hard, it's also really satisfying. Seeing your ideas come to life will wipe all your bad memories from bugs you spent your last hours on. Just look back on the progress you made. This was my survival game Airdrift 5 months ago, and this is how it looks like now. Seeing this motivates me to keep going so I can look at this video in 5 months and say how bad it was. Hello guys, I'm Sip. I'm working on a game inspired by Raft, where you build and fly your own airships. This is Devlog episode 7. You know, it's supposed to be a survival game, but there is not much surviving at this point. Like, you actually can't die. This is basically the game now. I've added a health system with fall damage, thrust system, hunger system, temperature system, well-being system, mood system. Okay, not these ones, but we have health system and thrust system. I want to add hunger too, but currently we have no foods in the game, so stay tuned for that in the next episodes. Subscribe so you don't miss it. To talk more about the thrust system, we need to first talk about water. We have this amazing shader from Voluted Barrett and a bucket from the 3D modeler Dani. You can collect the water in the buckets and store them on the ship. Where to store them? Well, Dani came to rescue you and made these. Not only you can store the water in them, but you can also take it out. Now let's go back to the thirst. I've added a new item, the cup. You can fill it up and drink it. This isn't final. I want to have some sort of purification system, but it's usable. Finally, we can call it somewhat a survival game. How are you going to stop on islands when there is wind or engines taking you? I spoiled it a bit, but yes, anchors. Don't ask me how, but Dani took this and made this. Show him some love in the comments and on his art station. I made this with 0 animations. Just raycast to the bottom, stretch this rope part based on 2 points and rotate the wheels until it doesn't reach the end point. I still need to add the anchoring logic, but it's a start. Spoilers, I'm preparing for a demo. Join the Discord if you don't want to miss it, and when you're there, show off your paint skills. I want the player to start on a floating island. I want him to learn about resources and tools, and your first mission will be to repair a broken down airship you will find in the forest. I started working on the repair system. You can now easily create these fixable parts which tell you what resources they need. Speaking of repairing, we have a new tool, the hammer. Your airship will have normal wear and tear. Make sure to take care of it and repair some parts before they are destroyed. This still needs a ton of work, but I'm happy with the base. I know you hated this, not being able to align things. I know, I got you. Hold shift to toggle grid placing. Now everything can line up and you can finally sleep with peace in mind. Hit this button, that button and these to comment something. See ya.